Data is interesting. I use it to get a pulse on the company when we first start, and we want to understand where the culture really is and why risk is happening. But then we take it into a very finite way of understanding the data and maybe the metrics that are actually accrued. So rather than looking at just the TRIR or the incidence rate of a company, which is a number companies love to just hug and envelop and use to manage their operation. But there are other metrics that lead up to that. And I would like to just quickly regress. There's a rule of 10, right? So for every 10 near misses, you have one first aid. For every 10 first aids, you have one recordable. So at the end of the day, shouldn't we start to track and understand, really dive into the near miss if we want to get ahead of risk? So rather than just use incidence rate or mod rate or EMR or things like this, I would tend to have a company really pay attention to the little things that end up becoming the big thing.